Good afternoon. It is June 10th, 2024, and today we had a reversal day. That's how I'm looking at it, because Friday we had this spike and channel down, and that continued this early this morning, and then we just, we get a overshoot leads to a break. I mean, I guess, and then we just reverse. And there was a strong leg up here, and looks like a strong leg up that's broken into two legs here. So that's how I'm looking at it. Let's take a look at this price action. So early on, we get these two legs down, and I think I was drawing from this. You get this strong bear move down, and then you get a 50% correction. This was in the middle of the night, and then we get this second leg. I didn't even realize this. I marked this trade, but this was in the middle of the night. But check it out. You got this wedge bottom. One push down, two push down, three push down. And that's a pretty good setup. And you get a good signal bar. And it's an overshoot of this channel. So that's a good setup. That's a good setup if you see something like that while you're trading. And you know the context. That's a really good setup. Anyway, we come to the top of the channel, sell off a little bit, and then you get a second entry short opportunity, and it's a two-legged pullback. So I think that's a good entry. And then we just kind of go sideways till we get a break, and you do get a failed second entry short right here. And at 4 ticks, you might consider that not a great setup. And there aren't really a lot of entries here in this channel. We're kind of just going sideways in here, but we're making higher lows, so maybe you consider that. You get a two-legged pullback here, but this is an inside bar. And then you get a second entry long here off the channel line. And then we keep going higher. Two-legged pullback here, so maybe you consider that. 5 ticks. And then we get a break, some sideways stuff, and we get some correction. And so here's a good example of a wedge bottom here. Let me move my computer. Check it out. So we're usually going to get a test of these highs. So when you get, two legs down, and we have this wedge bottom, 1, 2, 3, and we come up short of this channel line, and we form a perfect double bottom here, and you get a good signal bar. A lot of people saw that. They must have. Why else would it rocket up? And so that's a good entry, best entry of the day. And then you get this channel down. You could take this second entry long, technically, but it looks like it's a tight bear channel. And then you get this first entry, failed second entry long. I like that. And then you get a second entry short here, but there's a lot of overlap in these bars, and it's a doji, so I don't really like that one. And then you get a first failed second entry short right here, looking at this as a double bottom. But look at all that overlap. I don't like that. So that's how I saw the 2000 tick chart. Oh, I didn't realize we could be going for this measured move. Yeah, look at that. Look at people taking their profits right there. So Mac always says that this stuff is no mistake. It's not random. I meant to open up the... Let me pause the video and open up the daily chart. So here we have the daily chart, and let's just draw this. Not a whole lot of information here because we have an inside bar. And so, we're in this sideways stuff right now. So I don't think we can draw too many conclusions from this. But there is 40 minutes until the market closes. So we might continue rallying. And if we get a bull close like way up here, that'll tell us that there's some buying. So hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.